This backyard has been forgotten for years. The pool is filled with dark water. Broken tiles surround the edges, and weeds have taken over the ground. But today, that is about to change. Workers arrive and begin preparing the site for restoration. The first step is clearing the damage. Workers begin removing leaves and debris from the surface of the pool. Broken tiles are chipped away from the edges with steady hammer strikes. The dirty water is drained from the pool, revealing the worn concrete underneath. Cracked sections of the surrounding surface are removed as the old materials are cleared away. Workers pour fresh cement to repair the damaged edges of the pool. New tiles are carefully placed along the pool walls. A grinder smooths the surface as the structure is restored. At the same time, new lighting fixtures are installed along the pool's interior walls. The backyard is starting to look completely different. Next, the finishing work begins. Clean water fills the pool once again. Workers polish the surrounding stone surface until it shines. Wooden deck panels are installed around the pool area. Along the edges of the yard, workers place new plants and install small garden lights. The space is slowly turning into a relaxing outdoor retreat. With the final details complete, the workers step away. The pool is now crystal clear, reflecting the sky above. The new deck surrounds the water, and the garden lights softly illuminate the yard. What was once a neglected backyard has been transformed into a beautiful luxury pool space. Now, the area is calm again, ready to be enjoyed.